This is proof of concept. This is yet another video for this is CIE, my final program as it relates to my last proposal. This is for automatic volume control. Okay, let's see if I can get a picture of that. Let me zoom in on that. Right now, you can see that. Can't really. Yeah, see it's 97%. Yeah, it's 97%, 100%. Okay. Now the output of my sound card, my computer, it's just maxed out. And here's the sweep generator. Let me back up on that. This it's on. Come way over here to my lab bench, to the circuit. Zoom way down in here, and here is the input to the circuit, or the output of the computer sound card. It goes through the circuit. There's the DC to DC powering up everything. Here is the output of the circuit. Okay. Now over here on the scope, the yellow is the input to the circuit, and the green is the output to the circuit. And what I'm going to try and do is hold this camera, and I'll zoom in as I back up. I'm backing way up so I can control the computer. And what I will do is I will turn down the volume control, and you'll be able to see that by watching and observing the yellow. And notice what happens to the output of the circuit, the green, which I admit it's a little lopsided. It's not completely symmetrical, but doesn't hurt anything. This green, the output of the circuit's been pristine sine wave for the longest time. Now I got a little, I don't know, non-symmetrical aspect to it in the bottom negative bit. But anyway, it doesn't seem to hurt anything. But now I'm going to come down. Now watch, I'm going to come down on the yellow. The yellow's coming. Look at the green. I'll try and get it better. The yellow's coming down, so the input of the circuit's coming down. The green will jump around a little bit, but the amplitude of the green is what's interesting. Notice the green is just staying there. I go up, the green stays there. I go down, and the green stays there. Automatic volume control. Now, if I go any further there, I lost the trigger. So, right now, I'm going to just pan over to the computer. Right now, let's see if I can see that. Yeah, this video camera is not that great either. Anyway, you can see this is a regular Windows computer. I'm running Windows Vista, and that's just the typical audio control knob. Right now you can see it's 50%. Okay, so I can increase it and decrease it. See? Increase, decrease. Now there's the maximum. So go over to here once again, pan in, and I'll try and hold the camera steady as I can and control the computer. Now bring down the volume. I'm bringing it down, and the green, the output of my automatic volume control, doesn't go anywhere. It's frozen. See? I can adjust it 50, the control knob, the volume of the computer, I can control it all the way down to around 45. Right there it's 45. No, 44, 43, 42. And now, what I can do, come over to here, I can increase the yellow through the scope. See how I don't want to do anything without being seen. So anyway, not that that's critical, but so I will increase this, the resolution of the scope. There, I increased it. Now I can come down further without losing the trigger. So I will come down now. Right now it's around 44. And let me zoom in. And the green just doesn't want to go anywhere. That's what it's supposed to do. So I increase the volume and decrease the volume and the output of the circuit, as you can see, there's my proof of concept. So there it is. Now, one last thing. I'm going to turn those things off. Notice this. This is the output, the blue, the pretty blue. Turn off the other ones. That right there is the frequency of the switching generator. It's 305 kilohertz. Now let's see if I can, do this, analyze, let's see, trigger edge, no, measure, no, acquire, yeah, here it is, no, is that right? Peak that, nah, that's not what I want to see. I probably should have looked at this first. Display, trigger, utility, no. Darn it all. AC coupling, no. Oh, darn it. Display, persistence, is that right? Let's see, no. I wanted to freeze that. Shoot. Mode, manual. Manual mode. I'm going to stop this video and figure out what I'm doing wrong, so hold on.